Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn borders in CSS. So how we can apply the borders and how we are going to be making borders, we'll learn one by one. So very beautifully we have a dotted borders, dash, double, solid, groove, outset, hidden, so many. So one by one we'll see first. By applying div element only, I'm practicing. Why? Because the div element is most popular nowadays in CSS. So defining dotted element, let's see first, like a border style property and put dotted. That's it. Save it. Let's see what happens. Wow, dotted border we are seeing. We are easily getting dotted border for this box. So instead of dotted, I'm looking for dashed. Save this and reload. Wow, dashed. See, write down all the one by one steps which I am explaining. So accordingly you practice wherever it's required. Solid. Save it and reload the page. Wow, solid. Black line it will be displayed over here. And double, check it, double. Save it and load. So double lines which are going to be displaying. And moreover, like a ridge, yes, ridge border style property, we are changing the values. See, this is the ridge. Okay, and we may check it like hidden is there. Hidden means the border will not be displaced there. Okay, groove, yeah, we have a new more one. See, this is the groove will be displaced like in this case. So you make it larger and see the output, a flavor how it is going to be applying. So outset, inset and hidden, none, these are also available in border styles. Check with the border style property and the values of these dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, none, hidden. So apply one by one and practice all these things. I hope it's a very simple to apply the border style property. Why? Because this border style are very important, means when you taking boxes, yes, that time maybe e-commerce portal or any image boxes you are considering, these are very essential and important. I wish you good luck. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.